Part B was another problem, same as that. I think I should have or would have left that off, but it is imperative that you know how to do this, especially when we go on through the rest of this book. So I need to get a common factor, a common multiple. So whenever one doesn't exist, this is how you would write it. The least common multiple, I also said the least common divisor, is multiply the two denominators together to go ahead and get the least common one. To make that change happen, I have to multiply this top and bottom by x plus 3. Because whatever I do to the denominator, I have to do the same thing to the numerator. And I do the same thing over here, x minus 4, x minus 4. Now I'm going to put it together. You don't have to write the denominator twice. I'm actually going to move it over a little bit to make some space for me. So I'm going to end up with x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 4. And again, it doesn't matter the order. Remember, this is associative. I can go ahead and go left to right or right to left. It's also commutative. I can go ahead and move these so that this is an x minus 4 and that's an x plus 3. It doesn't matter. Does not matter. Now what I'm going to do is this. Up in the numerator, you got 5x times x plus 3. 5 is going to be, x is going to be multiplied times both of those. So this is where I get 5x squared minus 15x. Guys, this is a negative. One rule that you probably learned in algebra is you can go ahead and change divide or change subtraction to addition and move the sign. So that's what I did. Subtracting a positive is the same thing as adding a negative. All I did was move the sign so that it's with this negative too. Makes it easier for me. So remember I said it's all going to be in the same line. I'm going to go negative 2 times x, makes it less confusing. I got negative 2x squared, and then negative 2 times negative 4, I got a positive 8x. Now I'm going to combine like terms. 5x squared, take away 2x squared, is going to be 3x squared. Negative 15 plus 8 is going to be negative, and I do the math of that, I should end up with 7x. Put all of that over x plus 3, x minus 4, and then it did say this, leave them in factored form. So if you left it like this, I was okay. If some of you, because you totally obeyed the rule of what I put in the problem, and you did this, you factored on an x, so that's x, and that's 3x minus 7 over x plus 3, x minus 4. That's acceptable as well. This is actually the correct answer, and I would accept this as well because you did all the math correct and you got a common denominator.